Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you honest and insightful reviews of the products you need. Today, we've got a game changer for you, especially if you're dealing with a roach infestation and have pets to consider. We'll be taking an in-depth look at the Combat Roach Killing Bait, a product that's been making waves in the battle against roaches while keeping your beloved pets safe. Let's kick things off by getting acquainted with the Combat Roach Killing Bait. This product has been specially designed to tackle large roach infestations and eliminate them at their source. What sets it apart is its effectiveness in getting rid of roaches while being safe for pets. Here are some key features that make Combat Roach Killing Bait stand out. One of the standout features of this product is its pet-friendly nature. You won't have to worry about your furry friends getting harmed by using this roach bait. Combat Roach Killing Bait is incredibly easy to use. No messy activation or complicated setup required. Just place the bait station strategically where you've seen roaches, and let the product do the work. What sets this product apart is its ability to not only kill the roaches you see but also target the source of the problem, the nest. It's like a 1-2 punch that ensures those unwelcome pests won't be coming back. These bait stations are designed with safety in mind. They are child-resistant, so you can use them in your home without worrying about little ones getting into them. Combat Roach Killing Bait features a long-lasting formula with hydramethylnyl, a powerful insecticide that gets the job done. Now, let's dive into how Combat Roach Killing Bait actually works. Roaches are lured into the bait stations and consume the bait. After feasting on the bait, the roaches return to their nest. Here's where the magic happens. The roaches share the bait with others in the nest, leading to a chain reaction that kills off the entire nest. In conclusion, Combat Roach Killing Bait is a game changer in the fight against roaches, and it's especially reassuring for pet owners. It's easy to use, effective, and ensures that those pesky roaches won't be making a return visit. That's it for today's review of the Combat Roach Killing Bait. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. And as always, if you've used this product or have any questions, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.